Hey everyone, thanks for listening to the Grow Your Life podcast. My name is Jeremiah Krakowski. In this podcast, we talk about how coaches, mentors, and trainers can scale their businesses to make the kind of money that they want to make online. Listen, I meet a lot of coaches. They got a lot of great material, a lot of great stuff that they can help people with, but they don't know how to get clients. They don't know how to actually close the sale. So that's what we're going to be talking about here today, is what I believe is the 3-step process to attracting more clients for you. And this breaks down simply like this. Step number 1, you want to know where to find the right people. Step number 2, we need to promote our offer to those people. And then step number 3, we need to close the sale. And anytime that you are selling courses, coaching, mentoring, these steps work. Finding the right people is about where do they exist? Where are you going to find them? On social media is one of the best ways to find people. On YouTube. You can also do so going to seminars or by doing joint ventures with people where they can give you referrals. But what I find is that social media is one of the best ways to do this. And then what we need to do is we need to learn how to tap into the algorithm to be able to show our information to the right people. And this means aligning our messaging to who we can help the most. A coaching business, an online course business is one of the best ways to make 6 and 7 figures. No matter what you've done or what your experience is, sharing with people what you have experience in is one of the best ways to monetize your following online if you're an influencer or somebody who is doing that type of a thing. And so if you want to attract clients to any kind of a business, having a coaching business is important for this. And we want to find where are those people. And it's based on the way that the algorithms work nowadays, whether you're running paid advertising or they're organic, is that it's going based on people's behaviors on these apps. On Instagram, it's one of our favorite ones that we like using. On TikTok, on Facebook, on LinkedIn. Whatever somebody is interacting with, let's say that this is your potential client, every single person has a profile that these apps have built on them, and it shows content based on what it knows their interests are, but also very nuanced. What are they paying attention to right now, this week, even today? Your algorithm and your newsfeed can change from day to day based on what interests you, what piques your interest, and it knows how to grab onto all of that, especially when it comes to people that you're looking to reach. So to find those people, we got to figure out, okay, how do we hone in on the exact right person who is going to do 2 things. Number 1, they're going to get results with what we offer. If you're a coach or course creator, the most important thing you can do is generating results for people. The reason why I do what I do is because we generate massive results for people. People have told us this over the years. And I continue to do this because I love seeing people's lives changed. But from there, you can tap into the algorithms on social media to actually show your content or to show your paid advertising, which is even better because you can pay to put yourself in front of the right people at scale. I can maybe hope the algorithm shows my content to some people on a viral post, but if I push that with an Instagram ad, I can show it to tens of thousands of people for pennies on the dollar. And so that's one of the best ways to do that. And then that's where we want to promote our offers, not just promote who we are, but promote what we offer. So you want to take, okay, here's my coaching, here's the solution, here's the transformation, here's the result that I can deliver to people. And I want to promote that to these people that I know are the ones that are looking for that kind of transformation or result. So we got to understand, who are we helping? What problems do they have? What solutions can I bring to them? And then we work backwards from there in everything that we do to then attract those people. And we want to go based on the practical aspects of what those people want. Not just the ethereal or methodologies or things like that. What are the very practical things that people desire and that they are looking for? And if you're not promoting your business, you're falling flat because you're not reaching new people and connecting with people around that thing that you can help people with. You're promoting the fact that you can produce a result that you are promising to this person. And then what happens is the algorithm then shows your content. So step number 1, this is market research. Step number 2, this is actually putting it in front of these people right here, okay? And then once you put it in front of these people, we go to step number 3, which is to close the sale. Most people never get to this step because they never even get to this step where they're not even promoting it. But if you are promoting it to the right people, now we got to figure out, okay, in our communication of what we are promoting, it needs to close the sale. It can't just be good information. It can't just get engagement. It can't just get a couple of likes and follows and shares and things like that. It has to get people to take action and exchange finances with you. And so this is the big picture of the 3-step client attraction formula that I have, that we've developed, that we teach in my Wealthy Coach Academy program, formerly known as the Client Growth Accelerator program. We've now renamed it to the Wealthy Coach Academy because that's what we're doing. We're helping coaches, mentors, and trainers become extremely wealthy in their life. And I'd love to see you become part of our Wealthy Coach Academy, become part of our community, to be able to do that in your life and in your business. Now, one of the number one things that we have to do to take somebody from social media to closing a sale, people are skeptical on social media. So what we have to do is we have to create safety. We have to create a safe environment where people trust that you're a good person, that you deliver on your word, that you can produce the transformation that you say that you're going to do. And when people trust that, they feel safe enough to exchange finances with you or exchange their time with you. The reason why most coaches and mentors don't make the kind of money they want to make is they are not connecting with their prospect and producing safety in the interaction. They're not creating a safe environment for these people to take action, to move forward. And so that's what we got to do. We got to show people that, hey, listen, maybe you've tried this before. Maybe you've attempted to do something like this before, but now we can do it in a way that's going to work for you. It's going to produce a result. People want to know that it's going to get them results, that they're going to take action. And so to attract the right client, it's all of that. You want to find where they exist, and then you promote to that group of people. And then once you promote to that group of people, you use what you promoted, what you pushed out there, as a tool, as a mechanism to close the sale. And to close the sale, it's all about building trust. It's all about getting somebody to believe and trust that you can deliver on what you say you're going to do, that you're going to get them that result. The only reason why people are going to make an investment with you is they have a desired result, something they want to happen in their life, and they trust that you can make that happen for them. All right? So when it comes to attracting clients, that's what we got to learn how to do. And in my Wealthy Coach Academy, we work with you through doing that. Listen, I'd love to see you jump in with us in there, but I'd also love you to share this podcast with somebody. If you're a coach or a mentor, we have a library of trainings and classes that can help raise you up to the next level of where you want to go in your business. Make sure you share it. Don't keep it to yourself. Share this podcast with at least one person this week. We'll talk soon, everybody. Grow your life.